And no, not Aussie, as patriotic as I am. Oi, oi, fucking oi. Okay, so there's this koala sitting up in a tree, and he's smoking a joint. Picture that, a koala smoking a joint. This tiny little lizard is just rummaging around in the forest, just like... And then he goes, hey koala, what are you doing up here? And the koala's like, I'm smoking a joint, bad boy, you want to come up and join me? He's like, yeah! So the little lizard goes all the way up the tree, really... And they're sharing this joint, and they're smoking joints all day long. We don't know these people. I've never met them in my life. And eventually, by the end of the day, the little lizard's like, goddamn, I'm so parched, I need to get a drink. That's I'm so parched, I need to get a drink. Lizard language. So the little lizard goes all the way back down the tree. And all the way down to the vast river. That was vast. And this big alligator comes up and goes, hey lizard, what are you doing, mate? And the little lizard goes, I've just been smoking a joint with a koala in a tree all day. And the big alligator goes, I gotta check this out for myself. So he bumbles over. And the koala's up in the tree and he looks down and he goes, God damn, how much water did you drink?